Caldwell Pope on the attack, swatted away by Damian Jones. Now Durant. Thompson, spot up three. It's good.
This Steve Kerr, you can't be satisfied off of a made three to get an alley-oop dunk.
Curry doing work on Brandon Ingram. It's different because he has younger players around the All-Stars. It's going to be more about having fun. Last year, Iguodala finishes with a left hand. Brandon Ingram, the go-to guy here for the Lakers in the third quarter with this group on the floor. Bell with the extra pass, and what a finish by Damian Jones.
Body strength, using that body to eliminate Klay Thompson's ability to tackle.
Livingston behind the back. Jones, count it, and one. You get a lot of Laker fans here. It's a Laker home game, technically. And LeBron James comes out and plays the way he does in the first half. He understands that as well as McKinney flushes it down on the other end.